Look at her mama, man, look at her. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a highly requested tutorial. We'll be doing some Alicia Keys braids on my beautiful client. As y'all can see, I always start out with the middle part. That is crucial no matter what style you're doing, no matter if it's a braid in the middle. Part your client's hair in the middle. Something that is also very crucial to having your Alicia Keys braids look like symmetrical, like perfect, is parting it into 3 sections, like a section in the middle, and a section by the left ear, and a section by the right ear. So in a second, you guys will see me take the comb and like measure like the client's parts. And I want to make it the same size on the other side. So I like count the teeth on the comb and then like measure it to make sure it's the right. And I swear you guys, this is a hack that can make sure that your braids are symmetrical, and it works every time. Before I start adding any product or anything, I secure each section off with rubber bands. As you guys can see, my client is looking like a Teletubby. But this really helps keeps the part straight, because once product gets like in the hair, product can start like drying. It can really mess up the final result. So I try not to use product until I start braiding. But as you can see, I turned my client around to the mirror. And when you're taking out your client's edges, always ask them, is this enough? Do you want more? Because once the edges are taken out, ain't no putting them back in, I'm not gonna lie. So make sure you guys ask your clients if they like your edges, because that can kind of make a hairstyle for a client.
Think you know a lady, but at home. Don't at me. I've been working all day. I like to run the streets till it's dark out and come home, blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone.
So if you guys are confused on what's going on right now, I'm just applying product to my client's hair and around their edges to like solidify the part, make sure it's clean, and start braiding.
About us, you as real as they come, but you would rather be on them drugs. And I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you been draining me out. You know that, you blow that well, but I throw that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't at me. I've been working all day to run the streets in the dark out, to come through and blow your back out.
So when it comes to stitch braids, like just braiding in general, I always start off with 3 pieces, start braiding, but I braid like a rotation of 3 once and a rotation of 3 twice. And then after the last one, I see how I take my stitch braiding tool and like stitch a piece into the braid. Comment down below, y'all, if y'all want like a more in detail tutorial on actual like this technique of stitch braids. As you guys can see, I only add hair when it comes to braids like these towards the end of the braid, like when you're about to stitch braid off of the client's head, because this will like ensure that the braids are not too bulky and the braids are consistent size. And you'll see me not braid the braid all the way down, because in my opinion, like when you do a lot of braids like these, it saves a lot of time to just go ahead and finish the client's head and then go in the end and just braid all of the braids down.
I recognize the butterflies inside me. Since it's gonna be made tonight, all you gotta do is
So right now, this is looking like 25% done. And it's cute. I really love this style. I just went in and did the other side because it's like the same exact design. When it comes to stitch braids, it's literally like a maze. You can do whatever maze you want to do. Like, just do. It's really the stylist's creativity, unless the client comes in with a specific style. But right now, I'm just like parting out my client's edges. This is very crucial also for making sure your braids look like perfect, seamless. Make sure when it comes to your client's edges that you are cleaning up that part, because if not, it's not going to look clean. Yeah.
These racks in my pocket, that's what crime do. See my young niggas with me, cause that's how the mob move. I turn the cream soda to a pyro. Let me hit the top, everything I got exclusive. I kicked an overdrive, I ain't tryna lose. She can fuck the square nigga, had to cut her loose. My young niggas shoot like they running too. Why you lying on my name when you know the truth? Connected with no plug like the Bluetooth. All white truck, but the seats in the suit whoop. Bitch nigga taking for his chain like new. Granny see my cup, I done lied, said it's prune juice. I threw the deuce sign when I blew through. 7 mile dog in the car with no roof. With my hoodies turned blue, he got jumped in a snoop crew. He ain't got no motion, make 1,000 every blue moon. More money, more power, more set. Ask that bitch with a throw that at the doorstep. Get your own nigga, don't take handouts from no man. Get the love, hit the road with it, show your go nigga. Cop and blow, put your toes on to make some more grand. Let the poor 12 years old, richer than some grown man. Press the gas, pressure on, we can't give him no chance. Nigga lying on the song, he ain't never roll right. Get the chicken, make it grow. I need some more egg. Fuck the lights out of where I'm broke, flip the whole bread. The low just dropped, nigga, cold red. Damn, V's really slime, that nigga sure did. I make that bitch hold the blicky before we hold hand. I make that bitch get up with you, make you blow a 10. Hit the Walmart and swipe Giphy's my first gig. If she ain't down to stuff the bag, that's the wrong bitch. The way I leave and break the laws and fist. He like Chris Rock that when it comes to spin. Never did crime, break the law in his lyrics. I'm high yellow pills like I'm flying on spirit. I ain't just rapping now, I'm speaking from experience. Bust the rapper, you gon' see the white like Britney Spears in it. FaceTime, bro, on the lyric geek, seal ripper. Gallery don't make me make appointments, you a little nigga. Take 75, still put chills in me. Give my bitch 1,000 at a time just for dealing with me. Take 1,000 billions to these hillbillies. How the fuck I build a friendship with pill sniffers? It be the fake niggas claiming they the real niggas. I need the quickest way to get up to a meal ticket. I'm telling bro, no chill, they just wanna kill niggas. These niggas think I'm famous, I don't even feel different. Getting richer, racing to a Miller, keeping distance, dodging penitentiary. Just to get what I got, he a turn killer. You better keep some money coming just like your opinion.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ryan around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in a picture, bro. They look bro, hit this stick and start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. 30 but don't play with me.
Before I put any of my clients under the dryer, I always spray them down with oil and foam. In that order. No foam, then oil. Always oil, then foam. Because when you're smoothing the foam in, you're smoothing in the oil, and this will ensure your client's hair stays moisturized and looks shiny and not dry. And this is the final product. I literally love these braids. But make sure y'all comment down below if y'all like to see any other tutorials from me. And if you're inside the Atlanta, Georgia area, make sure y'all book me at Hair by Night. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga.